hiking with me in Maryland. So we drove up to the park and it is taking forever. I think the park is at capacity. It's only like 10 a.m. Really should have left earlier or maybe later, but yeah, there's a huge line in front of us of cars. I think they're not letting cars in unless like cars leave. So hopefully the people that got here really early are leaving so the rest of us can go in. But yeah, it's not what I expected. Should have come here earlier or later. At this line, I really hope that this park is worth it because this line is insane just to get in. So yeah, I hope it's worth it. Worth this like a long wait. I think it's been, God, like 5-10 minutes now that we've just been sitting here. Every time a car goes out, a car goes in. So yeah, I think there's like at least 20-30 cars ahead of us. Still waiting in line, but we can see sort of the entrance. We're just like watching cars come out. But look at the bridge. So close yet so far. There are now 10 cars ahead of us. So I think we started off like a 30-40 cars back. No. Just crossed the bridge on a hike. Now we're headed up to the waterfall. We made it to the waterfall. That was a really easy hike to the waterfall. It's so pretty. It's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Smaller than I thought. What do you think? Is it smaller?
Yeah.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Hiked up some more above the waterfall, and then this is above. Let's wash the dog off. Ooh! How do you like that? Go in there. Better?
How do you like that?
Exciting puddle. Woo! Yes, no? Time to have a snack.
Oh wait.
And the Pringles, the Jaggerbee.
Mommy.
They're like French fries and so good.
That's a Pringle.
What do you eat? Cheesy Pringles? Are those good too?
I'm an eater child.
Apparently, if you continue hiking up the trail, there's supposed to be another waterfall over there.
Yes.
Here's the next waterfall. Okay, go. It's the top of the waterfall. Another waterfall. Suspension bridge or views. Oh yeah, let's go look at this. Is it train tracks? You get up there? Looks like we made it up to the train tracks. No trains are coming right now though, which is good. But we heard it earlier. Let's go back down. Having a little sumo break. All right, it's really hot now. How was the hike? What did you think? I don't know. So the hike
It was good. It was perfect, but except for walking back. Walking back was terrible.
So yeah, it's really easy for me,
And
but
also
it's hard for her.
at 7-Eleven, if we pass 7-Eleven, we're gonna get Slurpees.
Slurpee, yeah.
Mommy promised me.
But yeah, it's not bad. It's only like a 2-mile walk back. The dog, yeah. That's the dog, yeah. She's like dying. She's hot. I just gave her some water. I keep giving her water. She doesn't want to drink it.
Well,
I think she just wants to rest.
She drinks some of
She's
it.
tired. Oh, now she's out. She thinks we're talking to her. But the waterfall is nice. I think next time I come really, really early right when it opens and get the good parking. Because apparently you can only park there if you get here really early, or you have to reserve one of the shelters, and that's what most of the parking is for. I didn't realize
Why
that.
do you have to reserve?
Slurpee girls! We made it to the 7-Eleven. We both got Slurpees.
Barely made it to the car. I barely.
With the AC on, now we're drinking Slurpees. That was a good hike. That's it. Bye!